Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Well, if you don't know by now, I love Jeeps. Love working on them, fixing them, and selling them. You might recognize this Jeep from a past video. It had rusted out floorboards I put on. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it up top and down below. In this video, we're going to give that Jeep a more aggressive look by using wheel spacers. I'm using spacers from Orion Motortech. Just a heads up, they are not sponsoring this video. This is just a part that I found that was a really good quality part, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I will put links in the description below where you can get this part at, and anything you do purchase, a small percent does help the channel. These are 1.5" wheel spacers. They're machined to perfection and they fit perfect. We're using a drive-on lift, which makes this job extremely easy. If you're doing this at home, you're probably using a jack. Make sure you exercise extreme caution and use jack stands. This is a real easy and fun project you can do at home probably in about 20 minutes. First thing you do is take that wheel off. The second thing you're going to do is put Loctite on all the wheel studs. It only takes a little bit on every stud. Remember, that little tube has to do 20 wheel studs. This next step is really simple. You put the 1.5" spacer on, you install the lug nuts that are provided, make sure you torque them down to specs, and go ahead and install the tire. Then install your lug nuts and torque them down to specs. It's as easy as that. You're going to be surprised on the appearance and the handling you're going to get just by using these 1.5" spacers. Once you get that first tire done and you see how easy it is, the next 3 tires are going to just fly by. You'll have them done in no time. Check out the difference. That Jeep on the right looks like it just wants to run right over top of you. Alright guys, thanks again for tuning in. And if you're new to the channel and you're a motorhead just like me, consider subscribing. Catch you next time.